Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your professional speaker bureau business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding info, availability, inquiry, support and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your professional speaker bureau using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Speaker Pro Bureau, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: speaker profile, booking request and speaker fee. I'm going to select speaker fee. As soon as I have selected speaker fee, they have provided me information about the fee structure of our speakers. With that also they have provided me 2 action button: menu and need help. Let's click on menu option. As I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time let's select booking request. To book an artist, they want few details like name. After name, they want date and venue. Now they want to know about the event. After that, they want to know about the speaker. As soon as I have entered all the information, they have sent me a message in which they say our booking coordinator will reach out with a proposal and next step within 1 business day. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and need help. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for Professional Speaker Bureau, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for your Professional Speaker Bureau. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with the media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and I'm going to browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and enter my text button like this, where I have mentioned that welcome to Speak Pro Bureau. Inspiring events begin with powerful voice. We connect you with industry's top leaders, motivational speakers, and corporate trainers all in one place. How can we help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option, speaker profile, booking request, and speaker fee. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with speaker profile. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I have provided a link from where our customer can see and browse lineup speaker and can use filter for industrial focus, language or travel purpose. With that, I have provided two action button, need help and menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to provide a separate message for need help. Like this, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our response time is 30 minutes and our working hours are from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Let's move to our next action button, which is booking request. To make booking, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message, where I have mentioned that to begin your booking process, please provide your name and organization. And with that, I'm going to provide a contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now after name and organization, I want to know about date. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message, which says, please provide event date and venue. I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. Now, after knowing about name and date, I want to know about the type of event it is. I'm going to drag and drop ask question again and connect with my previous question. Here I'm going to enter my message, type of event, example, keynote, workshop or panel. And with that, I have selected my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Now, last thing I want to know is preferred speaker. I'm going to select my contact custom field as artist and my format as any. After getting each and every detail, I'm going to send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says our booking coordinator will reach out with a proposal and next step within 1 business day. And here I'm going to add two action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have recently put for need help. Now let's move to our last action button, which is speaker fee. To tell about fee structure of our speaker, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Like this, where I have mentioned standard fees that our speaker charge, and with that I have also provided two action button, menu and need help. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for Professional Speaker Bureau. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.